Chalo sir, chalo. So again, very good evening to all of you guys and welcome to Oliveboard. So again, the setup is changed. This is my older setup because there is some electricity issue going on with the studio because of the mock drills and everything. We all know, right? This is happening throughout the whole of India. So please try to cope up with this. So today the setup looks a little different, but again, I promise the solutions vagera will not change for that. Okay, solutions and everything will remain the same. Chalo sir, chalo, let us start sir. Let us very quickly start. And just before I start, just confirm this once, whether I'm properly audible, visible, everyone. Am I properly audible as well as visible? Am I properly audible as well as visible? Everyone. I should be properly audible as well as visible, right? Reena, audio, video clear. Perfect. Chalo. Let's start, sir. Let us start then, sir. So, first question of this. Before that, let's just. First question is this one, sir. Find the value of A if this whole number is completely divisible by 11. Find the value of A. I hope you guys can see this. I hope you guys can completely see this, right? I've just zoomed in. So if any problem, please do let me know, because I'm also not familiar with this setup, right? So please do let me know in that situation. Now, completely divisible by 11, it means 8, 6, 6, 3, A9. This has to be divisible, means we'll take the alternate sum, divisibility rule of 11. So 8 and 6, what is the difference, sir? It is plus 2. 6 and 3, what is the difference, sir? Plus 3. A and 9. So it is, I'm writing A minus 9. Now it can be 9 minus A as well, I don't know. Now please understand, this total sum has to be 0 or any multiple of 11. In that case 11, it can be 22 and so on. Now sir, it is plus 5, then sir A, then sir minus 9. So if you do this now sir, it is A minus 4, that should be sir 0 or 11. Now the first thing, if I take 0, if I put A is equal to 4, then sir 4 minus 4 gives us 0. And sir, if I want 11, then I should put A is equal to 15. But sir, that is not possible. This is impossible. Why? Because A is one digit. I cannot put two digit number in place of one digit. So the only possible value of A is 4. So option number D is my correct answer. Option D is 100% my correct answer, sir. Very simple. Clear, sir? Moving on, sir. Acha. Next one. Next. So next one is this. Sir. Chalo. Next one is this. K and L together can do in 18 days. K alone can do it 63 days, sir. K plus L and another is, sir, only K. Sir, time ratio, efficiency ratio will be 1 by time ratio. Sir, 1 by 18, 1 by time and 1 by 63, sir. Right, sir? 9 2s are this, 9 7s are this. So that means the ratio comes out to be 7:2. That means K does 2 units of work every day. K plus L, they do 7 units of work. That means, can I say from here, L does 5 units of work every day? Very simple. Very simple, sir. That much done. Now, total work, how much, sir? If we can go by K, you can go by K plus L, whatever. Sir, K is doing 2 units of work every day and he is taking 63 days to complete. So, total work is into 63. Now, who will do this total work? L alone. L alone does 5 units of work every day. Divide by efficiency, that is your time. Calculate kar lo, sir. 126 by 5. How to do division by 5? Into 2 into 2. So 125 into 2, sir, 250. So 252 by 10 means, sir, 25.2 days. Option number B is the correct answer. Kamal, yes, B. Reena, yes, B is the correct answer. Very, very, very simple. Very simple questions. Next one. ये तो नहीं है sir. This is, चलो next. Owner marked the price of an article 40% above the cost price and 10% discount on market price. Sir, CP, SP, MP, everything is there. Sir, these situations I told you, CP le lo, you take SP, you take MP. Sir. Start from any of the ends. Sir, CP, whatever it is, 40% above is the market price. So 100 rupees if this is CP, sir, market price is 140, 40% more. And sold that at 10% discount. 10% discount of 140 meaning, sir, 14 rupees discount, sir. So it has been sold it at 126 rupees. Sir, what is the profit percentage? Sir, 26% profit. That's your answer, option A. Yes, Kamal, Reena, again you guys are correct, sir. Option A, 26% is the correct answer, sir. Option A, 26%. Clear, everyone? Again, sir, getting clear? Very, very simple questions. Very, very, very simple questions, sir. Very simple. Right? Next one, sir. So, perimeter. Perimeter of a square is this. That means that the side of the square is by 4. 4A is the perimeter, 4 sides. So, by 4 if you do, that is 16. Now, the area of a circle whose radius is half the side of the square. So, radius will be half of this, that is 8. So, area will be, so now options check. Check the options, pi is there. So, I will not put pi. So, pi into r square, that is 8 square, that is 64 pi is the answer. Again, very simple question, option A is the answer. Option A is most definitely the correct answers. Very simple. Yes, Kamal, again you are correct, brother. Next one. Next one, sir. So, next question. Difference between two decimal numbers is this. Largest one is this, sir. X minus y. Two decimal numbers, this is this. 0.05. Actually, you see, you don't need to do all this, just for understanding. Largest means the value of x. This is definitely bigger because that is why bigger minus smaller we do. So, this is 0.0675. Sir, y will be what from here? Can you say, sir, y will be, sir, this thing and this will come to this side, y will go to this side. So, that means this will be, sir, eraser, I guess this is the eraser, right? 0.0675 minus 0.0585. Now, you don't need to do any calculations. 0.05 minus 0.058, 0.06. So, it will be less than 0.09. Less than 0.009, sorry, 0.009, 0.0098. No, this is not. So, this is the correct answer. Option C has to be the correct answer. You see, this is the answer. Yes, Kamal, again, Reena, absolutely correct. Simple questions. Simple questions. Next one, sir. Next one. Hamara question. Average weight. Average weight of 3 persons, XYZ is 40. Average weight of 2A and B, sir, 54. All 5. Sir, weighted average. This is a question of very simple weighted average. Do this, sir. How will you be doing it, sir? 40 kg, 54. Sir, 40 kg of 3 persons. So, that means 40 into 3. 54 kg for 2 persons, A and B, that is into 2. By, sir, total number of persons, 5. Calculate, sir. 108 and 120. 120 and 100, sir, 220, 228. By 5, sir. 5 means into 2 into 2. Sir, 440, 456 by 10. So, 445.6 is the answer. 45.6, option C is the correct answers. Option C again is the correct answer. Again, Kamal and Reena, both of you guys are correct. Again, why I am only getting answers from only like those two? What about others? Baki logo ka kya hua? What happened to others? What happened to others? Everybody, please, these are very simple. The level 1 questions only. Average age of 3 boys is 12 years. The ratio of their ages is 4:5:3. Age of the eldest is 5. Sir, answer should be a multiple of 5 age related questions. Sir, option C is the correct answer. Only one option, that is multiple of 5. You don't need to do this question. Option C 100% has to be the correct answer. Clear, sir? Clear, sir? Income of A and B are respectively 20 and 30% more than C. Sir, more than, and they are asking ratio, meaning I can assume anything, take 100, sir. Because both the incomes of A and B, they are related to C. So it is 100. So what will be the income of A, sir? 20% more, that means 120. What will be the income of C, sir? Sorry. What will be the income of B? What will be the income of B, sir? B will be, sir, 35% more, that is what? 135. Ratio of income of A, ratio B, that means this. 24, 5 se karoge, to how much, sir? 27. The 3 8s are this, 3 9s are this. 8:9, option C is the answer. Option C is the answer. Yes, no, Reena, we had a few A and B, and the first we had a D as well, right? But yes, last 2, 3, 4 questions, all are C. All are going C. Chalo. HCF of these numbers. Sir, 1024 is 2 to the power 10. And this is 2 to the power 4, sir. Right? So 1024 में 16 तो है, 16 is there. 128 is also 2 to the power, sir, 7. So it is also there, 2 to the power 4. So this has to be the HCF because all are powers of 2. So my answer is option D. My answer is definitely option D, sir. Now, Reena, how's that for a change? How is that for a change? Right? Very simple questions. Now, ALP, again, ALP mocks will be simple because ALP exam is simple, right? Again, a simple sin 30, tan 30, this thing. Chalo, sir. Sin 30 is, sir, 1 by 2. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. By root 3 into cos 60. Cos 60 is nothing but sin 30. Actually, if you are clever, you will say, sir, ye pehle hi kaat do. You will cancel these two. If you are clever, if you guys are clever, you will see, you will say what, sir? Sin 30 and cos 60, they are reciprocal, like you can say they are complementary angles. So these two are equal, cancel. Tan 30 is, sir, tan 30 is 1 by root 3 and there is a root 3 over here. So it will become 1 by 3 plus 1, sir. 4 by 3 will be the answer, sir. 4 by 3 will be the answer. Can you guys see this? You guys can understand this? Or rather, let me check, let me show you guys. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 plus 1. So that is how it becomes 1 by 3 plus 1. That is how it becomes 4 by 3. Clear, sir? Very simple questions. 4 by 3 is the answer. Next one, sir. A thief snatches a wallet that contains 2000 note, 3 2000 notes, 9 these many, some coins. How much? It's as simple as it gets. 3 2000 notes, 6,000 rupees. 9 500 notes, 450 rupees. 16 20 rupees notes at 320 rupees. Answer 57 rupees for a change. 7 5 5 10 2, sir. 2 7 2. Huh? Ek second. Have I done anything wrong? Have I done anything wrong? हाँ रॉन्ग तो क्या 450 लिख के रखा हो. अरे यार 500 rupees is 4,500. I've written 450. Very bad. 7. Extremely sorry. So this will be, sir, 16. This is 320. Answer 57. So this is 77. Ends in 77. I don't need to do anything else. 77 ending. There is only one option, that is C, sir. Only one option. Yes. So the answer is option C. Option C is the correct answer, sir. Simple. Next one. Simple interest. Sum of money. This much in 3 years. This much is 7 years. Sir, amounts. I always have said this. Sir, 7-year amount means A7. That is 901. It means what, sir? Principal plus interest for 7 years, because in simple interest, every year's interest is same. 3 years. That means, sir, 689 rupees is what, sir? Principal plus 3 years interest. So actually, I'm showing you don't need to do all this. always remember, if you subtract, you will only end up getting interest because principal cancels. So this is what we call the method of difference. Method of difference. This is what we call the method of difference. So if you cancel, so PP cancels, this is 4 times I, that will be equal to how much, sir? So this is 2, this is sir 9, this is sir 1, this is sir 7, this is sir 2. So 4 5s are 20, 4 3s are this. So interest is 53 rupees. But again, they are not asking interest, they are asking principal. So principal will be how much, sir? Sir, if I go with this equation, that means the like 689 rupees in 3 years. How much will principal be, sir? 689 rupees minus every year the interest is 53. So 3 years, sir, it will be 53 times 3. 689 minus, sir, 159. So it will be, sir, some 30 meaning, sir, 530 is the answer. 530 rupees is the answer. Option number D. Option number D, 530 will most definitely be our correct answer, sir. Very simple again. Very simple question. दीपक, आप बताओ मेरे को भाई, कहाँ आपको हिंदी चाहिए? मैं बिल्कुल बताऊंगा, क्यों नहीं बताऊंगा भाई. बट अगेन ब्रदर, दिस इज द होल थिंग ना, जो पूरा जो लाइक चैनल है, ये थोड़ा इंग्लिश मीडियम के लिए है, राइट? सो इसीलिए आई एम सेइंग द थिंग्स इन हिंदी. आप बताओ कि सर मेरे को ये जगह आप थोड़ा हिंदी में बता दो, मैं बिल्कुल बताऊंगा, भाई, क्यों नहीं बताऊंगा. ठीक है, डेफिनेटली, डोंट वरी. Now, a table sold at 2 successive gains of this, meaning 2 बार there are like 2 successive profits. So total profit will be what, sir? 15 plus 20 plus 15 into 20 by 100. Sir, what is this? This is, sir, AB theorem, right? Anything 2 successive percentage changes, always this is this. So this is the resultant change. So this is 300 by 100 is 3, sir. So this is 20, this is 35, 38%. So total is a 38% gain. So that means if the gain is 38%, so CP is, if CP is 100%, SP will be 130%. 130% hoga SP. So that value is given as 2070. So they are asking what is the value of the cost price. Cost price means 100%. CP is 100%. So that will be 2070 by 130 into 100. 0, 0, 13 से ही कर दो. 13 ones are 13. ये जाता है क्या? 13 ones are 13. Approximate आएगा. 77. 78 is divisible, right? हाँ, चलो 60 ही कर लेते सर. दिस इज 1600 के आसपास. दिस विल बी, सर, 1600, जस्ट वेरी क्लोज टू 1600, जस्ट लेस देन 1600. एसपीज, अरे यार, मैंने देखो क्या कर रहा हूं भाई. एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी. देखो, आई हैव रिटन 138. Like this 38, I am written 130. I don't know why. Arey, sorry. Extremely sorry. Sir, 2 से ही कर लो then. 23 का भी multiple होता है 138. So 2 से, sir, if you do 69, sir. 2 से, sir, it will be 10, 35. Sir, 23 into 3 is this. So 3 23s are this. 3 3s are 9. 345. 23 ones are 23, 115 is 5 times. So the answer will be 15 into 100, that is, sir, 1500. Answer will be option C, 1500, sir. Answer will be, sir, option number C, 1500 rupees. Yes, Kamal, Reena, you guys are absolutely correct. चलो सर, चलो. DI का क्वेश्चन है सर. Let's see a DI question. Ratio of marks obtained by all 3 students together in Hindi. Marks obtained by students C in all 4 subjects. Sir, Hindi means, sir, Hindi. Hindi is this, sir. Total number, sir, 40 plus 30, sir, 70 plus 70, 140. So this is this value ratio. The other value of students see the gray color line in all four subjects. 70, 40 sir 110 plus 50 sir 160 plus sir 80. 160 plus 80 will be sir 240. Answer 7:12 will be the answer. 7:12 option A is the answer, sir. Option A 7:12 is most definitely the correct answer. Very, very, very simple. Very simple, sir. Next one. This let's see this. In triangle ABC, A is 90 degrees. So this is A, this is B, this is C. BC is twice of AB. AB is X, so this is 2X. ये बहुत simple है, sir. Let me do one thing. Let me reduce your work by even a little bit. So this is, you don't need to take X, take 1 because I need A, like angles only, na ratio में मिल जाएगा. It is 1, it is 2. So this has to be sir √3. Why? Pythagorean triplet you can say, or you just use a Pythagoras theorem. Root over of hypotenuse square minus 1 square. Root over of 2 square minus 1 square √3. That is this. Sir, actually this is, na, if you have prepared well, you just by looking at these values, you will say, array sir, this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Right? The whole of height and distance we have done using this particular technique. So now they are asking angle B. Angle B means opposite to √3 means this is always 60 degree. And if this was, this is 30 degree because opposite to sir 1. So they are asking this angle. The answer to this angle will be sir option B, 60 degree. Option B, 60 degree will be the answer. Okay, clear sir? Absolutely clear. Next one. Next one. Two persons 342 kilometers apart, one A, one B, traveling at the same direction with this and this. Achha, same direction means relative. Now both the persons are moving, both objects are moving means we need relative speed. Same direction means it will be minus 82 minus 64. So 62 minus 82 would have been sir 20, it will be sir 18 then. Sir, how much time will they take? 342 kilometers. Right? 300. So how much distance by speed will be the time? So distance by speed, sir. 18 से direct ही कर देते हैं. अच्छा एक एक करके करते for better. So 9. So 9, you see this is 920s are this, na sir, 919s are this. So they will meet each other after 19 hours. Option B, sir. Option B, 19 is the correct answer, sir. Option B, 19 will most definitely be the correct answer, sir. Very, 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 very simple. Right? Next one, next one. So ये किसने करके रखा पता नहीं. Somebody tried this question. Somebody tried this question. अच्छा, A ratio B, it is equal to 5:7. The answer is like सामने, but let's solve ना sir. And B ratio C is 15:7, sir. Now remember, I need to equate these two. Now both are this. So 7 is a prime number. So you multiply this by 15. You multiply this by 7. That is how you will get this, like equate this. So 5 15s are how much, sir? 75. 7 15s are how much, sir? Sir, 105. Over here, 7 15s are 105 ratio. 7 7s are 49. So A will be 75, C will be 49. The answer will be, sir, 75:49. Done. Very, very, very simple, right? Very simple questions. Done. Moving on, sir. 80% of 520, sir. 80% means 4/5. 4 by 5 of 520. Prathamesh, we have to check, brother. I have to check. See, I don't have that information. I won't lie, sir. मेरे पास है. We have to check. There are certain plans, but again, as the CBT2 ka, like there is no ata pata. So that is the reason, na, like we have not had any internal discussions around that. Okay, so we have to check. I'll check and tell you. If, like, please be there in tomorrow's class. I'll definitely let you know. ठीक है? So it was like just the, you see there are the different teams for this. So I'll just like ask the concerned team, like it's a 10-second process, nothing else. So now this is 6 times, so 5 6 are 30, sir. So this is 52 double is, sir, 104. Sir, 104 into 4, that is 416. 416 direct kar de, sir. 416 plus 30. 416 plus 30 will be 446 minus 8, which will be, sir, 428. Okay, 438, no, sorry. Option B will be the answer. Option B will be the answer. Perfect. Then I gave JE on 72nd and sensor key was out. You can, Prathamesh. You can, like about, acha, you are asking about this CBT2 ka, acha, of the ALP. Arey, I thought we were talking about the mocks. No, acha. In like the, those things come out very quickly. And also, honestly speaking, na, if you can like go through some trusted websites, you will get an idea. Though the official key mein, like you will see there is 1-2 marks idhar udhar hota hai, but mostly you will get an idea ki how good is your performance. उतना idea मिल जाए. JEE का तो बहुत जल्दी आता है ना, because please understand, JEE में the number of students are much less. Compared to any RRB exams, JEE ka number of students is lesser. Why? Because that is a very specific type of job, na? That is a very specific type of job. Now, how many people are there in the colony whose income is not more than 50 and not less than 20? Achha, between 20 and 50, sir. So 20,000 to 30,000, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, these 3 columns. How will I be adding, sir? For that, I need what is the value of each gap. For 400, 500. So gap, 1 gap, 2 gap, 3, 4, 5 gaps. 5 gaps is equal to 100. 400 and 500, gap of 100, sir. This gap is 100. 5 gaps. That means every gap is of 20. 20 value per gap, sir. Right? Now, income in rupees. And this is a number of people. Now, how many people? So, just add this. So, this is 400, sir. This is 1 gap less than 500. That is 480. This is exactly 500, sir. Right? Total, sir, 5 4s are 900. 900, 400 are 1300. 1380. 1380 will be the answers. Correct, sir. Done. 1380 option B, sir. Option B will most definitely be the answer. Perfect. Trade, honestly. Acha, Prathamesh, for that you have to talk to the support team, brother. You see, I don't know your stream. I am also, like, my first degree is of engineering as well, and coincidentally, I also cleared the JEE exam, though it was a few years back. But the thing is that now for the technical parts, you have to contact the relevant team, right? Now, sir, 524, 533. Sir, let me write it down for better understanding. You see, just by writing it down, now I got the idea. So the gap is, sir, plus 9. The gap is, sir, plus 11. The gap is, sir, plus 13. So next, the gap should be of plus 15. Don't need to add, sir. 7 plus 5, the ending will be with 2. 2 endings are 572. That's your answers. You do not even need to calculate the whole thing. You just can solve using the unit digit. Prathamesh, thank you. No worries, brother. But again, anything, like you see, the content team is completely different. So definitely they will help out. So most of the time, they definitely, if they have the bandwidth, they will definitely help you out. Now, ये भी नहीं है AP. I guess this is the last question then. This is the last maths question. Now, AP is a sum of first 15 terms. Sir, this is first term is this gap, the value of D I can see is 6. You see the increment is 6. Sum of first 15 terms. Sir, n by 2, twice of A, twice of the first term, that is twice of 14, 28 plus n minus 1 means 15 minus 1, 14 into D is sir 6. That is sir 6. Achha, you took prime by mistake, Reena, I did not understand. Achha. Now again you might say, sir, calculation, I can do one thing, sir, 14 I can take common and it will be 2 and it will be 6. If you do that, na sir, if you do, achha, the previous question, the prime numbers, achha. So it will be 6 plus 2, 8, sir. So it is, sir, 56 into 15. Any number multiplied by 15, na, multiply by 10 and multiply by 5. Now multiplication by 5 you don't need to do. Half of 10. Half of the multiplication by 10. So it is 47, 840 is the answer. Option number D will be the correct answer. Option D will most definitely be the correct answer. Yeah, Reena, I now understood. Now I understood. Okay, sir. So this was our basic little mock of RRB ALP. Very simple questions as always. Definitely, because you know the RRB, like ALP, the exam is easy, so mocks are also very simple. If you are prepared for the other exams, which 90% of the students do, so you will be sorted in this like mock. But again, please understand, if it is easy, then it is easy for everyone. There also you need to try to create an advantage. You cannot get a single question wrong, even by mistake. There is no room for error. Like, keep this in mind. That is how important this is. Okay, sir. So again, that will all for that will be all for the day. I'll see you again tomorrow with the basic geometry classes. And again, for those who don't know, I am running a series on basic geometry. So for till this week, like at least for the time being, I am taking 2 classes every week. I have started from absolute basics, and let me say this, I'll take at least 20 classes. So if anyone wants to learn from absolute basics till the advanced level, I'll cover each and every topic, each and every minute details of geometry there. Like for SSC exams, like or NTPC exams, RRB exams. So again, if you are interested, please feel free to join that. That is completely free. That is, the classes are being done on YouTube. Last week I have taken 2 classes. Please go through those recordings and you can join the class live from tomorrow onwards. Completely free for access to for everyone. Okay, sir. So again, thank you so much. I will then see you guys tomorrow at the same time of 5 p.m. Not from this setup, from the board. And definitely till then, please take care and bye-bye from my end. Thank you so much.